Say you bought a new MagSafe charger, but you're not sure whether it's genuine or not. All you have is a shiny new purchase, which can potentially harm your MacBook's charging system or destroy it altogether. But wait, you have more cause to worry. This is the third charger you're buying in a span of 2 months. The last two blew. Well, I'm going to point out to you 10 sure ways of identifying a genuine MagSafe charger. Then I'm going to show you one bonus method of sniffing out the fakes from the real deal. Stay tuned. Number 1. The Apple logo. All genuine Apple products have the Apple logo. On your genuine charger, you must have the Apple logo sunken on both sides of your charger. If your new purchase doesn't have the Apple logo, it's a fake. Beware and look out for this. This is an old trick of counterfeiters. Number 2. The weight of your new charger should be reasonable. If it feels light, it's probably a fake. If it feels heavy, it's probably genuine. However, counterfeiters have devised new methods of making their counterfeits heavy. I'm going to show you how in the next video. But you can use this method too to fish out, smoke out the fakes from the genuine ones. Number 3. The serial numbers. Apple products contain serial numbers, and these are written on the product itself. If the serial number is written on a sticker and pasted on the product, then it's probably a fake. This is a sure way of sniffing out the counterfeits first time round. So watch out for the stickers or serial numbers on stickers. You can easily remove this and identify the fake. Number 4. If you hit your new charger and it sounds solid, it's probably genuine. If it's hollow, it's probably counterfeit. Number 5. Stickers again. If your new purchase or your potential purchase has stickers everywhere, it's probably a fake. The counterfeiter is using these stickers to cover the serial numbers, to cover the Apple logo or other manufacturing defects. So beware of these stickers everywhere. Some stickers are used to hold your MagSafe charger together because the counterfeiter doesn't want to do quality jobs, so that when your fake charger falls down, it doesn't break apart. Look out for stickers. They are a sure sign of the fakes. Genuine chargers do not have stickers holding them together. Number 6. The counterfeiter wants to attract your eyes, so they will use dark or black lettering on their products. If you come across a MagSafe charger with dark lettering, know it's probably a fake. The genuine Apple products have light gray or faint lettering. This is a sure way of identifying the fakes from the genuine ones. This kind of writing is found everywhere, so look around. Turn your charger upside down, look on all the sides and see if the lettering is dark or gray or faint gray. Together with the light gray lettering, the counterfeiter doesn't want to spend time putting all the information. So look out for incomplete writings on the chargers. This shows the quick work of a counterfeiter who wants to make money and move on to the next fake. Genuine products have all the letterings. That shows the work of a genuine manufacturer. Number 7. Some chargers have the wrong format of writings, so look out for wrong formats with incomplete text. This is another way of finding out the genuines from the fakes. Number 8. If you shake your charger and there's something moving inside, then it's probably a fake. I'll show you how in the next video. Number 9. A genuine MagSafe charger has no dot on the rubber clip. A fake one, on the other hand, has a dot. This shows the mold of the counterfeiter. The mold has a place where the rubber collects and forms the dot. So look out for this dot. It's another way of finding out the fakes. Number 10. The sheathing near the connector should be long. If it's short, then it's probably a fake. And by the way, you can use all these methods together to collectively and conclusively know the fake from the genuine. Then the bonus method. If your MagSafe's light area is flush with the aluminum casing, then it's probably genuine. If it is sunken and the light looks dull, then it's probably a fake. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and look out for the next video.